think I got all the details here. We have the farmer's barn, and on the north wall, he's going to build a pasture or a field or whatever. Oops. Okay, and he doesn't have to put fence on where the barn is. Okay, and then on one fence, his neighbor is going to pay for part of that. I guess I should put that at the end of his barn. Maybe his barn is right on the edge of the property or something. Okay, so that's the blue one. His neighbor's going to pay for half of that. And then the green one, he has to pay all of it. And so the most he will spend is $5,000. And the fence costs $20 per foot. And so we want to maximize the area of the pasture field, or I forgot what it was. So we'll just call it area. So we want to